Hi guys, David here from the Property Centre, and I'm here to present to you this 3-bedroom, 3-storey townhouse in Bridgwater. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So there we are guys, that was the 3-bedroom townhouse in Bridgwater. If you do like the look of the property and are interested in making an application or arranging a viewing, or indeed if you have your own property you'd like a valuation on, please don't hesitate to contact us at the office.